today at the Rockford Speedway at the 2019 Bahama Brackets.
That's the best place to spend your birthday.
Right. All right, car corner. Lights on the car corner. Pace car are out. As Greg Batelli is going to bring them around. Greg Batelli needs to set the pace. Looks like he's having some trouble. All right, Greg Batelli might be playing mind games with everybody to go slow. And here they come. Green flag. It was mind games. Maybe that's what the Lincoln needs. Greg Batelli in the lead. This is going to be a 15-lap last chance race here for the 4As. So we've got Greg Batelli from the Chicagoland area, Melina Henson from the Iowa area. Here comes Tyler Peterson from Wisconsin. And then there's Chris Page from Rockford, right here, Rockford, Illinois. Then all the way in back, we've got that sixer, Ryan Smith. Uh-oh. And the 247 car of Greg Batelli breaks out. Oh, no, it's a Hot Rod Lincoln.
That means Tyler Peterson is now your new leader. Melina Betzer is second. Chris Page in third. Ryan Smith is fourth.
Here we go, Eric. We may have a Roadrunner taking over to beat this Mid-American late model here. As here comes Melina Betzer.
Oh, boy, Betzer and Peterson. This is going to be a nice tight finish here to the end.
Definitely.
As long as these two continue their speeds and don't break out, they should be this way to the finish.
And the 39 is either waving to everybody and doing a wave lap, or he's saying, I'm getting off the track. All right, he wanted to exit waving to everybody, saying bye.
A little tiki torch wave on the way out.
All right.
Bahama bye.
And the word now is Chris Page. The 151 has broke out. We have a two-car race now. Somebody's winning, somebody's going home.
Peterson now in the lead. Betzer right there in that 571.
So you've got Wisconsin battling Iowa.
Ooh.
Dirt car battling asphalt car. Who's got the skills?
Well, you know, Peterson in that 16's got that tight grip on the low end.
Definitely. Tyler Peterson used to be a former late model driver here at the Rockford Speedway. He knows his way around the track, but they've got to battle the clock too. So it makes it very interesting. Melina Betzer hanging on everything she's got. They're halfway through now. We got 7 to go.
Yeah, it's kind of a double whammy. You got to make sure that you finish in the top, and you got to make sure that you don't break out. Oh, when there's only 2 of you.
It's going to be a 10-lap race. We're going to reduce the laps since we've lost cars. White flag out for Tyler Peterson. Who's going to win this race?
Like you said, cruise control. Can you put it in cruise control?
So here comes your winner. Maybe it's Tyler. He slowed down. He wanted to make sure he won.
I don't blame him. I don't blame you, Tyler. Just the way the race went here today after the breakouts.
All right, so here's the word. We got the last chance winner that's going to go on to the feature, and we have a lucky dog, and Melina Betzer is getting that lucky dog.